Today we're going to see how to import and export the systems that we have installed previously. Now, to import and export a single system, let's open the BeTech app. Now, go to Systems. In this section you can see all the systems saved. Go to Backup. Now we can send it on OneDrive, Gmail or any other application, and the file is in zip format. Hold on the desired system. Press on Export. And here, as you can see, we can also choose to delete the system. You can select the app where you want to export the file. To export more systems, go to Backup and then Export. In this way, the BeTech app will automatically select all installed systems. Now, to import a single system, let's open the BeTech app. Now we go to Backup, Import, and we select the file. Yes. Okay. This is for the single system. And now we can see the file installed and selected. Now to import more systems, we go to Backup, Import, then we can select the file with multiple systems. Yes. And now it imports all the systems except for those that we have previously ported. And now we can see them.